Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I wanted to pop on today and share a drugstore foundation that I have just been so in love with. It has literally changed my life. So I was super excited to come today and share it with you and do a little demo how I use it. There are two different ways that I like to use this drugstore foundation. And wait till I tell you beauties, this foundation is not only super affordably priced, but it is preservative free, talc free, fragrance free. It's amazing for sensitive skin. It's good for your skin. So it's just an amazing all around foundation. And I can't wait to share it with you beauties today. So what it is the L'Oreal True Match Mineral Powder Foundation. So this has just been a total game changer for me and I love it so much. I'm sure a lot of you beauties probably might have tried this already, but if you haven't, I'm going to show you today how I use it, why I love it, and what it's done for my skin. If you're looking for a new foundation, this might be the one for you. So what I really love about this lightweight loose foundation, it is, like I mentioned earlier, 100% preservative, talc, and fragrance free. It is a skin improving mineral formula. It does also contain SPF 19, so it does give you a protective skin finish. And it's just an amazing sheer to medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. I really love how this helps control shine. It gives me a more even skin tone and a more poreless looking complexion. So what is better than that? If you could get rid of the pores, I'm like, yes, sign me up. Where is it? Put it in my cart. Take my money. You guys know how it is. So it is available in 12 true to skin shades in warms, neutrals, and cools. And it is described as skin improving, and I really do feel that it does improve my skin, the look of my skin. So I definitely do agree with the L'Oreal description of this as being a skin improving mineral foundation. So there are two ways that I love to wear this foundation. What I think I'll do is I'll show you on one side of my face kind of my no makeup look, how I wear it on the go on a daily basis. And then on the other side of my face, I'll show you how I apply it for a more glam look, for those kind of night outs and things of that nature. So it's just a little bit of a more full coverage way to apply this L'Oreal foundation. And actually, before we get into today's video, hi, my name is Alegra. I hope that you will subscribe and stay in touch. I hope you love today's video. I have lots of makeup videos on here, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff, so I hope you'll subscribe. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So let's just dive right in and I'll show you beauties how I've been loving to use this L'Oreal Mineral Powder Foundation. So I have already primed my skin. I love using the Revlon Photo Ready Primer. It gives you such an amazing poreless finish. So I have this on already. And then I also do have on my concealer. So that's my normal kind of everyday makeup look, my normal no makeup look. I love to put on my primer, my concealer, and then I will go in with the L'Oreal Mineral Powder. So let me go ahead and show you how it applies to your skin. So I love how they also make it super handy so you can do this on the go. It does come with this great brush, and then you can tap off the powder, the mineral powder, into the cap. So you just unscrew the top, and then it looks kind of like a translucent powder, and you can just tap some off into the cap like so. You don't need a lot. A little does go a long way. And then take one of my own brushes and I swirl the product in, and then I just apply that to my skin. And I hope you guys can see, I just feel like it makes my skin look so much poreless, more even. So another way that I love to wear this mineral powder foundation is I do like to apply it over my liquid foundation for a more glam full coverage look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to put some foundation onto this side of my face, and then I'm just going to go ahead and repeat our previous steps. I'm just going to tap some off into the cap like so, swirl in my brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to tap it on top. So that's how it comes out over a liquid foundation. Which side do you guys prefer? Do you love it paired over a liquid foundation or on its own, just on top of concealer and primer? Let me know down below. So beauties, I'm just going to go finish up my face and I will be right back. So beauties, this is the finished look. Let me know if you beauties have tried this L'Oreal Mineral Powder Foundation. I absolutely love it and I couldn't wait to share it with you dolls today. It is a little bit on the messy side, so you have to be careful, and I do prefer to use it with my own brush, but definitely you can use their brush if you're on the go and you don't have any other options, but I do prefer to use my own brush. and apply it how I showed you dolls today. So let me know what you guys think of today's video and this drugstore foundation. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. Also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye!